Well, now here's the game start. Not really, but Cin and Cout are objects in C++ used to input and output. Input from the user and output to the user. Well, you probably know what is input and output in layman terms, don't you? It's kind of similar to that only. See, if you remove C from Cin and Cout, so what will you got in and out? That's my way of learning programming language. I hope you like that. So the simple syntax of Cout or Cin is as follows: as Cout less than, Cin greater than, and whatever you want to. Input a variable or output a variable. Well, you probably don't know what's variable or text, but you don't text. So if you want to, for example, if you want to print a text, so here's our hello world example. Hello world. So if you want to print the text, just place it in double quotes. Yes. Well, I'm speaking something on with this sunglasses. You know, we have just started the most powerful programming language. We had to be smart. So again, a bad joke. So see this double quotes. If you put anything in double quotes, so it's probably text. Well, it's a string, but you don't have to. If you just want to print some text, you can directly print it as a text. Well, if you don't understand what int, string, and whatever data types I'm speaking on, don't worry, I'm going to tell all about that in the further lessons. Okay, for now you understand that if we write count less than double quotes hello world, and the most important semicolon, because that tells that the code is ended. Where's my keyboard? Yes. And if we run this program, oh, it's running. Yay, hello world. It's print hello world. For example, if I want to change, see, I want to print my name. Free and shoe. So if I now run this program, for running this program, you just have to press Ctrl by 5. F5, sorry. It's Ctrl by 5 in different programs. For currently most, it's just F5. As you press F5, the code's run. And see, as you can see, it just print tree and shoe. So for this command, this is what count does. Well, as you guys now know about count, let's now move to Cin. Well, if you don't like my pronunciation, I'm really sorry. But let's move on. See, for entering a string, I just included string at the top. You have to do the same if you want to include a string. Input a string. Now see this. I have just declared a string. Well, if you don't understand what string is, it's just a sequence of text. Well, you don't need to worry. I will tell all about data types in further classes. As you go in the further course, not classes. And here is our main game sign. See, it does not do anything more. It's just gonna input n, whatever I'm going to tell him. And see, after that, I'm just tell it to print it with count, which you just learned in the previous lesson. So let's run this great amount of code. Well, I have been wearing sunglasses, as you can see in my studio. So I've just wear the sunglasses for you people to feel amazing about this program. And we have run this. Let's now type in something. I will just type in my name. Yay, it's printed my name again, which is Priyanshu, of course. So that's how sign runs. Well, we can do this with string. Like if I want a number, for example, number n, then I will use int, and this it will input a number from it. See, if I 5, and it will print 5. So that's what sign does. It's just input from the user. Well, in the real world program, sign is more strongly used because we have to input more and more things from the user as to make the code more user friendly, as we are working for our users. It's not. Hope you understand what sign is and count is. So let's move to the next module.